I think Bitcoin looks bullish on the 50 minutes time frame. And if we go to the daily time frame, we can also confirm that we are still in an uptrend. If we look clearly at this chart, we can say that, oh, we can confidently say that we are still on, like we are in the bull market, right? Because all the moving averages, like price is above all the moving averages that we can find on this chart. The 5 day, 18 day, above the alpha trend. Also, the alpha trend has printed a buy signal. Guys, there's so much I want us to unpack today. I want us to look at some top or best AI coins or meme coins that we can take advantage of those sessions. By the way, let me not talk so much. If you're new here, subscribe. If say you are a returning subscriber, just like the content and share to someone else out there. Let's build. Let's build. Let me see. Are we live? I'm gonna go quickly to share this on X. Because I'm live on X. I'm gonna go quickly to share this on X. I need more of my X people to join me live here with you guys. So let me just go on X and share this live stream. By the way, if say you haven't yet followed me on X, make sure you do so. I've been sharing stuff like up and down on my X account. Make sure you go there and follow me. This is my X, the Beton. I've been oh wow, I've been growing like fast on X because I've been putting out real value out there for you guys. So let me retweet this, then let's say join me as usual. Join me now. Let's look for the best AI and yeah. So I'm gonna retweet this now and yeah, let's build this now on X and see how it goes. Let's look. Let's begin with crypto bubbles. I always begin with the bubbles. Let's see, um, what is happening here on this time frame. We are looking now on the weekly time frame on the bubbles, and what you're seeing here is against Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is actually doing well most against most of the coins you can see here, like for the past week, except Ray. And we know why Ray or Radium has been doing well. Radium has been doing well, and Radium and Solana has been doing well for the past week or this weekend because of the Trump coin. Melania coin. Trump launched his meme coin. Melania launched her own meme coin, and because it's being traded mostly on Radium, which is the DEX that most people trade Solana project coins from, it was likely that Radium was gonna like pump the coin was gonna pump, and also Solana was gonna pump. So that's why you see Solana doing well here, and Aave also did well. Fat coin did well. SPX did well. So these are the strongest coin, and they are always gonna be the strongest coin. If you see the coins that have been doing well against Bitcoin for the week, or you go to the month, you can confirm that these same coins can still make you quick gains. And we're gonna look at most of them as well today and see if still we have some opportunities right away to buy. So let's begin first to see where we are with Bitcoin, and I want to look at this on the 15 minutes time frame. And from what I'm seeing here, like of course, usually I would say that I want to see price stay above the 50 day moving average, but at the same time also I want to see price hold at the bottom moving average. And if say price hold this zone, like for a Bitcoin, I want to see price stay above $102,000. So far as price is above $102,000, we're gonna see altcoin pump, even when Bitcoin is not able to pump. So now what happened during the Asia Open? The Asia Open like didn't do much. It started here at this let's see, I mean market here. Yeah, so this was the Asia Open. Yeah, this is the low of the Asia Open. Yeah, and this is let me see. Yeah, the low of the Asian Open, and this was the high of the Asian Open. Yeah. Now, what has happened No, this was the low and that was the high. This was the high and this was the low of the Asian Open. Now, UK started at the low of the Asian session. So this was the low of the Asian session. The market opened here at the Asian session here. It pumped a little bit. So this is the high of the session, and this is the low of the session. And UK session began at the low of this session. Yeah, let me just say, give or take, this was the low here, and during this dead area zone, we saw how price came towards this area. But UK is trading somehow towards below the low of the ASANs, the UK's the end of the Asian session, which is not good. Okay, it's not good. But one thing I'm confident in here is that we have more liquidity here above price, and it's equal. Like if we look at above price right now, you're gonna see that we have more liquidity above than below. So we can rightly say the market makers can attempt to go and take this one up here, at least this one at around $107,000. And if they manage to get there, then it's likely that we can see Bitcoin go right up to around 111,000 or $112,000. Now we can confirm this by looking at the liquidity heat map. Because here you can see orders, real-time orders that the market makers have placed. And let's look at this on the daily time frame, on this liquidity heat map. But looking at this first on the 3 days time frame, you can see clearly that we have liquidity around 108. We also have it around 109, and you can see here we have visible right up to 113.9. So we can hit $115,000 today. Looking at where we are right now, and we have just some minor liquidity here around 199, 102, and 96. But the closest liquidity is around this 107, and then we have also 109, and then they can just spike it up to about 113,000. But now let's look at the next 12 hours. Let's see what could happen or what can happen in the next 12 hours. You can see exactly they can push price right up to $110,000, but we don't have much liquidity down here except at around 104. So they can come here quickly and sweep this liquidity around 104, right down to 103 before taking the market back to the upside. And this can happen, or this could happen during the US session. Now, talking about the next 24 hours, we can see that, like, what is going on the 12 hours time frame is similar to what might happen also here. We have more liquidity here around 104 and 102, but I think they're gonna go first to grab this one at 107, or maybe just go straight away right up here. Now, having established all of this, we can now determine whether altcoins are going to be doing well or not. But now there's a catch here. Let's take a little bit, let's dive a little bit down, backward, or let's take a deep breath backward. Then let's analyze what actually is going on here, with some other altcoins. But no, we have seen the altcoin market dip, like during the weekends. We saw how the market dip, and this was mostly because of the Trump coin, right? The Trump coin soaked liquidity, and also we saw how Bitcoin pulled the market down somehow during the U.S. inauguration, like Trump was inaugurated, and also we are seeing now that the market is trying to recover, and we can say that all coins need to recover. I mean, at least top altcoins that have real community that are behind it, has to recover. And the market makers have to balance the market before they can take the next action, to push price wherever they want to push price. And these are the altcoins we are going to be looking at. The altcoins that have already done well in the past, these same altcoins are going to do well this time around. So I want you guys to pay attention to this. That's why whenever you are buying any coin, you need to understand the strength of that coin when you compare it with Bitcoin. Is this coin, or can this coin move alongside Bitcoin? Has this coin outperformed Bitcoin in the past? You need to understand this perspective, or this data about the previous price action of the coin you are holding and against Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the alpha. Now we're gonna go straight away to some of the coins, and I can see lots of you are watching. Oh, my daughter is watching as well. Hello, my daughter. How are you doing? I see Abdullah Tako. I'm gonna come to most of the coins you are holding. So comment below the coins. If you say you are watching on X, comment below the coins you are holding. Now let's dive, to something that I think we're gonna be looking at in terms of on the altcoin market. So I want us to look at this chart here, and this chart is like all cryptocurrency out there, excluding the top 10 coins out there, and I want us to look at it on this time frame. First, then we're gonna look at it on the daily time frame. Now, looking at this on this time frame, what I will say to you guys is that we are looking similar, like the chart is similar to what is going on with Bitcoin, like the chart of Bitcoin. And what Bitcoin is gonna do is impact this chart alone. And now we want to see, for us to confirm this, we want to see this chart stay above this daily open. This daily open is around 500 and 57 billion. So if we see it go above 358 billion, then the like almost all the altcoins out there, excluding the top 10, are gonna do so well. Okay. And if we look at it now on the daily time frame, right, we're gonna see that we are bullish here on this time frame. And we have been rejecting this downward trend, and we still need to go and retest this and try to grab this liquidity here around 420 billion or 440 billion. So I think that because of the we have been going like trading for a long time now. You can see going sideways. We have formed somehow a W here. It could be something like that, to take us to the upside, and this could happen today or maybe this week. But I think we're gonna see, the altcoin market. I mean, the total, the entire cryptocurrency market, excluding the top 10. So we're gonna see it do something like this, and if it's gonna do something like that, like break this zone here and trade above it. If it break this zone and trade above it, then we're gonna be super bullish. We're gonna see most of our altcoins out there go to create more higher highs. Trust me, this chart is very important if say you are trading altcoins. Now, going to some AI coins that I think are gonna do well today. I mean, I'm already holding some of them, like CGPT. Now, CGPT has bounced. Like we are still early. I'm talking about swing trade here. CGPT is in a constant trend line. So this is it. Is in a constant trend line. Yeah. And if we mark this, you can see clearly that we are in a constant trend line. Price has been respecting these key levels here on this trend line. So we can say that this trend line can take this CGPT to go and make higher highs. Now, why do I think this coin actually looks somehow bullish? It's because of what it has done in the past. You can see it has been consistently bullish for how long now? Let's see how long this coin has been bullish. Let me see since when. That's since like how many days now? It has been bullish for like 79 days now, and that's awesome. Okay, so if say you bought this coin down here, then you are still in profit. Yeah, and the coin move right up to, let's say, how many percent from here to up there? Let's say about almost 3.3x. Right, that's awesome, and we can now do something similar up there. So how many x from where we are right now? That's gonna be not like x. It's gonna be 67% profit. If we attempt the previous high. Now, can this happen? Of course, this is an AI project, and they survived the bear market. And now, what do you see here? We can see a clear zone here. This is a strong. Let me not say strong. This is a resistance level where if price is going to break this resistance level, then we should expect price to move to the upside. So price can do something like this, right? It can do something like can go up, come down a little bit. I say do something like that, come down, then go up. Or we can do something like this. Let's say it can do something like this from where it is, come down, then go up, come down here, then move straight to the upside. So this could happen. So you can be patient to wait for this setup to play out on your behalf. So you can look at the price here around 0.28. And the target is gonna be the previous high. Yeah, don't stress stuff. Just take your 50% profit and go away with it. You look for something else and you keep doing that. And if say you want to learn more on how to go about this, I can teach you in my one-on-one session where I help anyone out there who is interested to trade the market the right way. We cash out profit when it's the right time to cash out profit. We stay away from the market when it's the right time to stay away from the market, and we just trade. Spot mostly. I do mostly spot trading because I'm trading highly volatile coins like meme coins, AI coins. These coins are highly volatile. So if say I'm buying a coin like that, like let's say CGPT, and it pump like let's say 30%, that's good gains for me if say I have huge capital, right? But if say you want to do leverage, you can at least a minimum of 2x. Don't go for that. Trust me, don't go for that. You want to protect your investment to make more long term. So this one, CGPT, is our first baby. So keep an eye on CGPT. Don't just react to it. I just gave you guys a clean setup where you can buy. And again, it's gonna depend on what Bitcoin will do. But looking at what this coin has done in the past, even if we see a downward trend to kiss this moving average, which could happen, yeah, it can come even right down here. Then it's gonna be more perfect opportunity to buy. So if you see this coin at 0.18, buy. That's why you need to wait for price to confirm first from where it is. It could just go up a little bit again, but you're gonna come back here to retest the structure here around this 0.28 zone. Then you can buy it. So that's something you should be looking at for this time around. Now, another coin I want us to look at right now is Tau. Tau looks so super bullish. Now, look at this structure here on this time frame, the daily time frame. Look at this. We could break this anytime, and we have seen multiple rejection here at this point in time. Look at this zone here, guys. This like this stopping volume candle here, this one here, this one here. So this could be the SFE that take price to the right to the upside. I think so. But what you want to see is this: you want price to actually break, yeah, break at least break above and create, break structure at least. Then you want to buy the retest of the structure back here. Then you take it to the upside, and the target again is the previous high. So this high here is the target. So if say you see, like, don't just rush to buy it now, but price is getting towards a perfect setup where you can actually trade this. You can trade this, no doubt. Like, guys, maybe I can go to the daily time, to the 15 minutes time frame for you to actually see if you can trade this long term, short term. But I'm playing the game of a swing trader, right? I want to play this to play out maybe before the weekend. We're gonna see this bad boy skyrocket to the upside. Maybe Bitcoin gonna do something crazy. Then this coin gonna do something crazy as well. This is an AI project, Tao. This is Tao Bitensor. This is an AI project, and I think that Tao Bitensor, like what it has done in the past, if we zoom out, you're gonna see it has been like super bullish. Look at this movement, and now we are rejecting around the better moving average here. If say you want to get my moving average, you can just go to trading view and you search for the better moving average. You're gonna see all of my moving averages here, the BETONG. So I have three of them that I use. The enhancement is more of liquidity. We have the moving average, and also the BETONG strategy. So this is my indicator that I use. It's free. You can have it, but I use it mostly on a daily time frame, and how I use it is based on like support or resistance. So for example, if say price is below my moving average, for me to enter a trade, I want to see price break above, then I'm buying the retest to my moving average. And that, in that case, this I use it also with the 200. I think this is the 200 day moving average. No, the 100 day moving average. Yeah, I think I use it with the 200 EMA. Yeah, I use it with the 200 EMA. This white moving average is the 200 EMA. So I use it with it. So I wait for price to retrace back, then I buy it. And I can still confirm that with my Fibonacci tool. So I can always block my Fibonacci tool here, and then from the top to the bottom. Let me just show you guys quickly. So you can see what I do. So I block it from here to the bottom, and it's gonna give me around this golden pocket. You can see price hits that, like it went closer to the golden pocket, and we saw this huge buyback. So around this price point, I'm buying because I know that it has gotten towards my moving average. I must not wait for it to close or to hit it like what is going on here. I can just buy it a little bit here. This is a more until you get to this low here, because if a coin make a move like this, there's high chances that the coin is not going to visit the zone where it breaks structure. So we can still see Tao Bitensor come right down here before it bounced again. Why? Because this was the main structure that was broken. It was here, but we can still argue that we have seen this week here. Like eat all of this liquidity that price from here. So maybe this is gonna be the zone where the reject the pump price from. You can see we have seen this happen 2 times. So Bitensor is one of those coins that you can really take advantage of. Guys, most of the coins I want to share with you guys have the same structure. So we're gonna just look at the structure, but let's look at the 15 minutes time frame for this bad boy. Let's see what is going on here on this time frame. Okay, it's not good, But one thing also I see here is this: we were in a downtrend from up here to down here, and what has happened? What has happened? We break structure here. This was just the break of structure. Price retest the structure. It wasn't able to go and make higher highs. You can see here we receive or we have seen multiple rejection here, which is not good. So if price is not able to hold this key area here, then we can even go more downward to around 380, or let's say how down can we go? We can go right down to 350 dollars. So, but I think this was something that was supposed to happen because of the previous levels here. So we're gonna see price play a little bit here, move sideways, consolidate, so that they can build the contract to push price to the upside. So looking at this time frame, I would say that you can buy here still. But you have to be more caution, because if price get here, then there's high chances that it can still go down here. So if you see price break this level here around 110, sorry, 410 dollars, then you can close the trade. I think below $400. So if you see it below $400, then you can close it, and if you see it go back above $410, then you can place a buy again, because this is a key area here for B10. So let me see if say I got some comments from you guys. Let's go, Lamin Banshara. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Let's see which other coins we have here. Oh, okay. Ali also is one of those coins that I think you should have an eye on. Like literally, I've been printing a lot of dollars from Ali. I've understood how the coin move. Like whenever you see any spike to the upside, I catch my profit. So I already have a sell limit order above price, and then if my order are being filled, I'm gonna place the next buy order below here until if price breaks structure, then I'm gonna place a buy here, knowing that retest, so until price is able to go to hit this previous target here, I'm gonna be playing this game here, pump, but price is in an uptrend still, okay, but I want to take advantage of the volatility here that this altcoin is offering, and so far I have like 2x my coins, my Ali coins. Another coin I want us to look at, but this one I think is a little bit like maybe you have missed it. We can just wait for break of structure, like sorry, retest of structure. This is Cookie. Even though like one of my Telegram members showed me this coin, but so actually I've been creating some profit already from this coin. But what I want you to understand about this coin right now is that where we are, we can, or we should expect some sort of rejection where price is at least around this zone here. So when we see that rejection, we're gonna see pullback at least back to this key area here, and this should be the zone where you buy. So if price it's like if this candle close, like this daily candle close, then we're gonna see some sort of retracement. At least half of the candle is gonna be recovered. Then from there you can buy, on the daily time frame still. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day to come, but it's gonna happen anyways. Price cannot just go straight away. Even if it goes straight away, we're gonna see it pull back down here. Then they're gonna feel like to balance the order or balance the market until they push it back to the upside. So this one, I think you already missed it. But I already catch out my profit already from this one. This is Cookie. I already catch out profit already. I bought it right down here. So I'm really up in a good profit. Even though price is still pumping, I don't care. Price can pump for all price one. I've already cashed out what I wanted, because my target was. If I look at this chart here, I'm gonna show you where my target was. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So let's go to cookie. This was my target here, where this sell signal here. So this zone here. You see, this was my target. So I took out my profit there. But I also can see that we have this zone here. This is let me see. This represent. I forgot. Let me just check. This represent how many moving day average. Okay, the 12-day moving average and the 13-day moving average. So now this one up here is the 200-day moving average. So we not expect rejection from there. And if we see price get towards this moving average, then we should expect pullback. At least price should revisit quickly this zone here, so you can buy. Yeah, and that's gonna be perfect zone for you. Or they can still do something like this. They can bring it like around this zone here, so you can either buy from here or you buy back here, because they already recover half of this vector here. So maybe I think we should focus on this one instead. So this zone here, because they already recovered this one here down here, at least half of it. So from there maybe they can retrace price right down here before taking it back to the upside. But the main target here that I'm looking at is this zone. So if say you are someone who is patient, then this is the main target to cash out the final profit here. So for cookie, yeah, you can do something like that. So the next AI coin that I want us to look at, let me go to another coin here, which is Miro, because Miro has been dumping like crazy, and you can see on the daily time frame, like it has been dumping. So the recovery here is imminent. It's gonna happen. You can see we have lots of vectors here. So this one is a buy, like it's a buy straight away. It's a buy. Like if say you wanna like just buy something right now, then this one is a buy Miro. No, the Boomer, sorry, not Piro. This is Boomer. Boomer. This one is a buy. That's a book of memes. This one is a buy. If we look at this time frame, yeah, price has revisited this low here. So this should take you to Valhalla. You see, and that's why I love to look at my chart on the daily time frame. You can see, this was a perfect area for price to reject, and you can just target this previous like this low here to be your take profit zone, like this area here, the first take profit, because from here it's going to be like a huge right to break this area here to the upside. And even if price break it, price will retest it back before price move to the upside. So you can, from here you can just target this zone here around the 0.0059 or 0.0060 price point for this bad boy. So yeah, they are pretty decent coins here that you can make some quick gains from. And Boomer is one of the biggest meme coin in the space with huge liquidity. Binance is holding most of the supply of this coin. So yeah, I would say, of course, guys, this is not a financial advice, but let's just see what you can make if the price goes back to this low here, to this higher. That's 50% profit. So like you can use this coin that I'm sharing with you to make some crazy gains in the market. Trust me. If you are able to cash out, make, let's say, every week, you can make let's say 20 to 50% of like profit, to like going to grow your portfolio by 20% every week. Then that's gonna be huge profit for you long term. But some of you just wanna, like, you just wanna cash the next pump, the next days, the next that, and you forget the fact that you can build gradually, and to build your capital, build your portfolio, build your experience. Because trading is an experience. You can trade a little amount you make from $100, you can transform into $200. From $200, take it to 300, 400, 500. Then you start playing to get to 1,000, 2,000. You can take time. You can take even 2 years or 1 year to get to 1,000 capital, and from 1,000 you can get to 2,000, 10,000. Then I mean, within 5 years you can become something great. So be patient, guys, and play the long game. You are always gonna be successful if you do that. So yeah, Boomer is another one. Now let's go to Migo. Migo is even looking somehow so great. It's great more than even Boomer. You can see, even though we have this the stopping volume candle, yeah, but I'm looking at this in this like based on this previous low, yeah, and this previous low is almost similar to what we saw there with Boomer. You can see price around this range, and this should be a range that take you right back to Valhalla as well. These coins have presented like huge opportunity to us. But we still have a long way to go. Trust me. Price is gonna do something like this. Just go up, at least come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down until like boom to Valhalla. So that's how price is gonna react. Or price is gonna play out. So pay attention to that. The next coin I want us to look at here is this bad boy, bread, bread, and this is one of the biggest meme coin on the base network. So why do I think bread is sitting at a good zone to buy? It's because of this. It has been moving around this trend line, and we are now at this same zone here. So if say we are able to hold this zone, and Bitcoin gives us that real signal, then we can keep bouncing from where we are right now. We can keep bouncing from where we are right now. Like, we can go up here, come down a little bit, go up, come down, go up, come down, then we just like move to the upside straight away. So I'm looking at this now, thinking that, okay, if say we keep staying above it, because you can see if we zoom out, you're going to see that we have rejected this zone like how many times? One, two, three. This is the fourth time that we are, and we are still above this trend line. So this should mean that we should be reversing from where we are right now for bread. So you can grab this one if say you want to, but this is a good play for you to play, like a good coin to play, and look at the upside is amazing. You can revisit the upside, but just focus on this previous high here, which is where we have this vector candle, and you catch your quick profit and you look for something else. But if say you really want to play the long term game, then you can still bring the flip two from where we are right now, from the top to the bottom, and give you yeah, the first take profit zone is around this same area, but you can target the golden pocket around this zone here to cash out your profit, which is something awesome. So you can target this zone for your main profit zone, your main profit target, yeah. So that's gonna be awesome. For you, if say you do that. Yeah, this is like crazy, man. Look at the profit here. If say you buy this bad boy, it's gonna take you right up to Valhalla. Look at this. Oh boy, 76%. Guys, I'm giving you coins that can do like can change everything in your portfolio. And guys, I'm able to do this because I have learned here. I learned TA. I spend a lot of my time, and money to learn TA. That's why I encourage you guys who are beginners here. If say you don't know what you're doing, you're buying coins and you don't know what you're doing, you need to learn TA. TA is boss. Trust me. If you learn TA, it's gonna be an additional value to you or advantage to you in this market. Because you're gonna be able to see price where it is, and when you see a pump like this, you're gonna, oh, but no, I'm gonna wait for price to retrace, and if price retrace, I'm gonna buy. If price doesn't retrace, I'm gonna look for other coins that are in a perfect structure for me to buy. There are so many of them. More than almost 10 million coins are out there right now in the market. So you can look for something which could fit your style every day, and you trade it, and you forget about emotions. Like, oh, I love this coin so much. Is this guy or Vitalik have talked about this coin, or this guy is talking about this coin. No, don't pay attention to that shit. All you should care about is your money. Is this coin in a zone where you can buy and make some quick gains from it? If the answer is yes, then go for it and get out quickly. So that's that. Now, another coin I want us to look at also is Aerodrome, and the reason why I want us to look at Aerodrome is because, sorry guys, my stream it paused a little bit. Okay, I think I'm back live with you guys. So the reason why I wanted to look at Aerodrome is because of this SFE. This was a perfect stopping volume candle. You can see, it created this hammer here. This hammer was like it was like a buy. If say you understood. And guys, the way the market move is this: when you see a downward trend like this and a stepping stone kind of like this, then you see a huge buyback. Expect at least price to come back here to retest this key area here. If price is not able to go down and make lower lows, that's when you can start trusting, that okay, maybe this move is gonna be the move that reverse price back to the upside. That's why I look at this coin and I say to myself, okay, because we have seen this rejection here and here and here, so this might mean we want to move back to the upside. Why? We have been in a downtrend, so it's but normal to say that price want to attempt to go and make more like to retest structure, because there's a lot of liquidity here that they need to grab around this zone. So that's why I think aerodrome is one of that play that you should be looking at. Another one I want also look at now is Fala. Okay, Fala is looking somehow great and bad. Now I'm gonna like show you guys exactly what should happen before you buy Fala. And Fala can really print you amazing gains, So this is what I did, and this is what I want you to do as well. Now I plug in my flip tool from where this move started down here to the top of the move, and I'm looking at where the golden pocket, right, to be my main zone. Now, if say Fala is so bullish, then price will not end around the zero point 0.5 zone. Now, what are we seeing around the zero point 0.5 zone? We are seeing this somehow like it's somehow like a hammer, but we are seeing multiple rejection here at this price point. So price have rejected this zone multiple times. You can see 1, 2, and now we are here. So what we want to see to confirm Fala is for price to break this structure within structure. So you see there's this zone here around this key area. So if we see price break this above, then we should expect a little bit of pullback there. That's when you can buy Fala. If not, then Fala can still come right down here, then attempt to go up here, and if it fails, it can then go right down here. Then from there, it can bounce heavily to the upside. So don't just rush to buy Fala right now, okay? But this is a good AI narrative that I think can really print you gains. So this is gonna be one of those play that or those trade that you monitor, and while you are in the trade that you are in right now, you just monitor the other trade that are still trying to build up. When it's time, you hit it. So they like you hit it, like boom. Oh boy. So yeah, so that's that for Fala. Now there's this coin which is not an AI coin, but I just want to also look at this coin by the way. This is Audi. Audi, like if say you don't know, Audi is a must buy, right? Audi have visited this low here, but there's also a risk here for Audi because we haven't seen retest of this structure multiple times, right? Why? Even though we are price close, like price isn't close below this candle here, price is still this weekly candle is still above this move here. So if we see it up close above here, then maybe this should be the bottom of this downward trend. But again, looking at this zone, I can see clearly here that we have huge vector here, like huge liquidity here that they can still come and grab. So maybe they can hit half of this zone here, so they can easily do something like this, hit price around this half, like half of this zone. Let me see. Oh, I thought I drew something like this, so they can do it like that, half of this zone. Yeah, they can. Yeah, yeah, so they can easily do something like this, bring price a little bit downward around $11 for Audi. I think this is actually doable. They can do this, before they can maybe they take price to the upside. So there's still lots of stuff to wait to see for Audi, but it's a good, like it's gonna be one of the best trade you would take. Okay, because of the upside, I think this coin can hit $1,000 someday in the future. Audi, yeah, Audi gonna reach 1,000 something in the future. Now, if say price stays above this key, like stays here, when can you confirm that this is gonna be the right time for you to buy? So wait for price to break at least above this trend, this zone here, this line that I drew around 26. Let's say give or take $27, right? If price go there, so price can do something like this, go up here. Let me just mark this properly for you. So from here, you can do something like this, then come back here. Though you want to buy here, then take it to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for this coin. It can play out like this, go up, come down. Retest the structure here, then before the next move to the upside, and it can go again, right up to $1,000 per order in the future. So this is what I think might happen with Audi. I've given you guys so many coins already. Let me see. You say, can you hear me now? Oh, you said you cannot hear me. I think my mic is okay. If you can hear me, just comment that you can hear me, because I think I can see that my mic is okay. Maybe it was before. Um, if you can hear me now, Raha, just comment that you can hear me. 'Cause I can see here that my mic is doing well. My mic is okay. So I don't know why you cannot hear me. Let me see. My mic is okay. But just comment below that. Let me know if say you can hear me, guys. If you are watching me, at least let me know you can hear me. From X, from wherever you are watching, just let me know you can hear me. Yeah. All right, I've been live for 42 minutes, and I've been spilling you guys lots of coins here and showing you guys where to buy it. Another coin that you should be looking at here is this coin ARO. That's AWI. So we can still see AWI come right down to, let's say 111, yeah, around $11. Yeah, it can still come right down here around 11, or maybe let's say around 8. You can still come here down here to 8, or it can still come right down to $5. You can see, because I'm looking at liquidity here. We have this liquidity here, so we don't have much volume here. So I think they can still bring away right down here to around $8. But I have been buying away from up to bottom, like from top to bottom. This is one of my biggest play. I think they are one of the outstanding players in the game. So even if they bring price here, or before they bring price here, I still think they're gonna at least attempt this higher around 21 or 18 before they bring it down, somehow. But yeah, that's what I think. If actually they want to bring price, so they can just from where we are, they can take price a little bit around $20 before they bring it back to, let's say, $8. Then from $8, then we can take it right away to Valhalla. Right up to, I think we can hit about $100 for this coin in this bull market. So there's so much gains to be made here for ARO. Now, talking about another AI coin that I think is gonna be awesome. But this one is not gonna be something I want us to look at right now. Is Prime. Prime is good, but I don't want us to look at Prime right now, even though it's good. But let's not look at it right now. Let's look at something else. Yeah, which is gonna be one of my last coins. So this is Look where. This one is a buy. It's a must buy if say you want to make quick gains, and just target the previous high year. Just 1 year, and that's gonna be it for you. We are back in the around this bottom, yeah. So just buy now. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Trust me. I want to assume those of you who are buying understand what that this is a risk. But again, I just have to let you know where we are right now in the market and what you might expect to do, long term, or what you can do long term. I cannot imagine that you guys are watching me, three of you, or like almost you, like so many of you, but you cannot tell me that you can hear me or not. I'm asking if you can hear me, and none of you are saying you can hear me. That's not nice, guys. If at least respond, if you're getting some value, response that you get some value, you can hear me. So at least let's interact with each other. You cannot just sit there and you're watching and you're getting value, you don't say anything. It's not nice, okay? So if you don't want to like respond to me, don't watch my live video. You go away and watch it somewhere else. But if I ask some questions, at least can you hear me? Let me know you can hear me, so I can know you are with me one on one. Okay, that's not nice. If you don't want to listen, respond to me, then don't come to my live video. That's simple as that. That's being, should I say, ungrateful, something like that. But I can see him if Marcus, it's like Marcus can hear me somehow. So that's good. Anyways, now I got angry, so I'm gonna just end the live because I asked question. You guys, I wanted to give you guys more coins, but it's like I'm wasting my time here. 'Cause I can see some of you are here. I ask question, you don't answer me. So let me not waste my time here. Let me just go away and focus on what I can do. So, but yeah, you guys got me annoyed, so I'm gonna just go away right now. All right, that's it for today, and you guys should have the best. Maybe I shouldn't be live with you guys to give you guys something. Okay, what I'm doing here for you guys, I don't think there are many channels out there doing it for you. I'm trying to give you guys something to make you money. And if I'm spending my time here to talk to you guys about the stuff and I ask you a question, can you hear me? At least comment that you can hear me. Simple as that. Anyways, that's that for today. Take care. Bye. Ciao.